Australia, yes. Things have gotten crap, so what? It's time to stop focusing on what the problems are. We're pretty well aware of that by now. It's time to start getting a bit more solution focused. Start asking ourselves, what can we do about this? The protests, they appear to be getting us nowhere. I think the only way is to show numbers. The legal system is set up so that we can't dislodge these buggers who are giving us all kinds of merry hell in politics. So what we have to do is use a show of strength. We need to unite under one banner. And the most cost-effective way, from the research I've done, that this can be achieved is through forming a religio-spiritual union, something to the order of Humanity for the Human Spirit, or something of the like, I'm imagining. I'm going to set about investigating that. If you'd like to follow me and stay tuned with what I find out and what I can research and what I can dig up, where we can unite under one banner and bring our voice to the politician through a lobby group or through the religion itself if it gains enough money. I don't like the term religion because religion tends to push a dogma that you must follow, whereas I think it should be a voluntary thing where, rather than having to donate specifically to the religion, you donate your time through charitable acts, supporting your local community in whichever way you wish, either by giving about 10% of your time or 10% of your finances if that's easier for you, if your time's too valuable in other areas. That's your choice, but I do think it is very important for us to all contribute as a community. I don't like the term religion, as I said. I think it needs to be a spiritual movement, which is in essence classed as a religion for legal purposes. But I think our love for our country, our love for humanity as a whole is what should drive that movement, and it should be about bringing us all together, giving us our voice and our power back to make decisions on our own country, for our own country, and bring those decisions through that spiritual movement to the politicians and go, this is our culture, this is the essence of who we are, this is what we want represented and acted upon in Parliament, and as the public servants, you are on a bound to serve our interest in this regard. It's time to step up and be counted. It's time to form this movement that creates the country we want to see. Whether it's my country of Australia here, whether it's your country of America, I think we all believe in a higher power, whether we call that the quantum field, the universe, God. We all have our own definition, but nevertheless, it's the force of the Great One, the oneness from which everything is created, the oneness from which all things come. And we're a part of it. We've got that spark within us, because if we weren't living a life in alignment with that, we wouldn't have survived and we wouldn't be here today. Now, I believe in you. I think you can be the change. I think we can all be the change, because we're all part of that oneness, and coming back into that oneness, acting as community, acting as a force for our highest good and the good of our fellow man is where our power is at. Don't forsake your power. Don't sit by looking in the mirror like I used to do each day, saying someone's got to do something about this. Realise that that person looking back at you in the mirror, that person is someone, and that someone counts. And it's time for that someone to stand up and be counted. Make a move, even if it's just to follow my account. Stay tuned with the developments I find and I share, and others find that I share on my channel also. I'd like you all to become one and fight for what you believe in. Not physical fight, but fight to empower those who are doing the right thing, and to empower yourself as a result, because what we support strengthens us and what we oppose weakens us. So we need to shift our perspective from opposition of what we don't like to support for what we want, and we need to strive unerringly straight towards that goal over and over and over each day. Even if you can only divert 5 minutes of your time to that pursuit, that is the most valuable, empowering 5 minutes you will spend in your day, because it's focusing on your growth, the growth of your country, and bringing your truth to the world and the truth of all your fellow countrymen and human citizens of this beautiful planet we inhabit, that gives us everything we need in life. Do your best, always and always. Love you people. Have a great day.